How to delete all your search history on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all your search history on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. Go to your Instagram, go to your profile and click on those three lines up there beside the plus icon. And now click on your activity. Click on recent search and click on now. They're gonna show you all your recent search from the newest to the oldest one on your account. All you need to do to clear all that is click on clear all. And now you can't be able to undo this. If you clear your search history, you may still see accounts you have searched for as adjusted results. Click on clear all, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.